Hello, scholars. It's time to practice composing complete sentences. Why are complete sentences so important? Because they provide that clear framework to express your ideas. They ensure that you're not misunderstood in your writing. We can use them to express our identity and our unique ideas. And it's one of the 4 forms of communication. Think of some other reasons why it's important to write in complete sentences. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to look at some models. We're going to process our thinking by answering some questions. You're going to try it out in practice. I'll give you some feedback, and then you're going to revise and rewrite. There are incomplete sentences or fragments, and they're complete sentences. How do you know it's a complete sentence? If it can answer the question, who does what, we have a complete thought. So complete sentences answer who does what. Complete sentences are a group of words that contain a subject and a predicate that are a complete idea. They're an independent clause. My brother was holding a cup that I gave him. Who? My brother did what? Holding a cup that I gave him, right? I only eat ice cream on Sundays. In this sentence, I is the who, and the what is eating ice cream on Sundays. This last example, the Bronx is north of Brooklyn. So we've got the Bronx is who, north of Brooklyn is the what. Fragments are not complete sentences. They don't have that. They can't answer both of those questions. They might answer the who, they might answer the what, but not both. So look, that I gave him. Okay, so we've got the what, but not the who. Who is the person I gave it to? Ice cream on Sundays. What did I do with that ice cream on Sundays? The Bronx. Okay, what? What does it do? Let's look at it a little bit more closely. We've got the Bronx. In this example, the Bronx is a place. It cannot, it's not a complete sentence. It cannot stand on its own. It's called a fragment. Then we've got another fragment here, is north of Brooklyn. It tells information about a place, but it cannot stand on its own either. It doesn't answer who does what. But if we put them together, the Bronx is north of Brooklyn. We have the who, and we have the does what. So together, it made a complete sentence. So just take a minute, stop, think. Think about what you're learning. Think about these questions. What's a fragment? How can you turn fragments into complete sentences? And why is it important to be able to write in complete sentences? It's your turn to practice. You are going to turn each of these fragments below into complete sentences by adding additional information to complete these thoughts, right? To make them complete ideas. Make sure you're answering the question, who does what? That's how you can check your work. You're going to submit that through the Ed Puzzle. I'm going to give you feedback, and then you're going to be able to revise your work.